How to group layers in Alight Motion. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily group layers in Alight Motion. So first thing first, just head over to your Alight Motion application and make sure you have already created any sort of project. So in this example I have already created my project, so I'll simply head over to my project section from the bottom of the navigation bar and simply open my project over here. And as you can see, currently there are at least 4 different layers in my video project. So I can basically tap on this section over here, which is the eye section on this left section. So I'll simply just long press on that particular layers one by one, just like this. So once I highlighted all of the layers, you could see at the top there's a group or pair option over here. So you can just tap on that, and just like that you have successfully merged all of your layers into one singular layer. So you can also add a new layer to it by simply tapping on this plus button over here, and you can also rename your group name or edit your group accordingly. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.